Today we'll be learning about how to backup and restore the VuWall2 database. To begin, make sure you've completely exited the VuWall2 server. Next, open Windows Explorer. The location of the database varies based on whether you selected to install for all users or just this user at install time. I had selected all users, so my database will be found in Program Data. Navigate to the VuWall Technology folder, and inside you'll find all the data that VuWall2 saves. To back this all up, we'll return to Program Data and copy the entire VuWall Technology folder to a safe location. To restore the database, simply copy it back to the correct location. And for more advanced backup and restore techniques, such as failover, redundancy, and automation, please contact us. Thanks for watching, and for more information, find us online at VuWall.com.